Hello, welcome to Blackstone. At the moment we are in a Kwahu village. There's a small village that we are. Look at it, we are here to go to farm and do cocoa. And then at the same time to see the cassava, where it comes from, banche. Anyway, we are stuck at the moment. We came with the taxi, and you can see the taxi. The taxi is called Tico. Hello, welcome back to Blackstone. We are back again to Onyame Ekrase in one of the village in Kwahu area. So, okay. So the rain has just stopped. It's been raining for 3 hours non-stop. So now, as we're walking, we're going down to the roadside to park, to pass the farm. You can see there's plantain, there's orange tree there. Where? Okay. There's cocoyam. You can see cocoyam, and it's contomere on top of it. Can you see? That's contomere. Contomere. The leaves. That's the one they bring to abroad for us to eat, make palava sauce and that. This cocoa tree, as you can see. We're walking inside the farm now. So, anyway, we are in this place. This place belongs to Blackstone uncle. His name is called Eja. As you can tell, we are not showing anybody's faces. We are just going down the place. Oh, what tree is this? Orange. This is orange tree. You can tell the orange is falling down from the tree. Majority of them. It's not many people here that they want orange to eat. Can you see? It's orange on the floor. They're on the ground. So we are still walking through the cocoa farm. Ooh, another orange tree. Yeah, the season is going now, so they're all falling under the tree. Right. So, okay. You see some chicken going around the place. Yeah, this is proper cocoa tree. This is cocoa farm, you can tell. All over. When I say cocoa farm, anybody who is eating chocolate before should know that that's where it comes from. I've even seen a little one that is dropped out. That's where the seeds are inside. I'll try and get a nice one to show you people. Anyway. Yeah. All right. That's how you see it. You know all the chocolate you eat. This is it. They're all hanging on a tree. Yeah, these are real cocoa. The real McCoy. Some people use this one, the little one, to make soup. It's just like okra. It's always like okra, and it can be very sleepy when it's small like this. You can use it like okra. So, very sleepy like that when you make soup. There's some on a tree as well. It's always hanging on the back of the tree like that. It's never hanging on the leaves. This is not like mango, or it's not like what do you call it? Orange. This grow, the seeds comes on the trees. You know, as it goes along, it runs through the trees. You can see some seeds. Look at how it looks like okra. The way it's hanging is just like okra. Like that. Okay. I'm going to show you something. These are pure green one. Can you see it? Yeah. That's cocoa. Wow. This is one of them that it didn't stand a chance. It's gone. You know. It's rotten. That's one of them. Yeah. You've got this one. Wow. This is the tap I'm going to take and eat. Then yeah, this is a buy. You ready to make a beer cocoa in the back? What's your way to make beer, sir? Okay. Wow. Fantastic. Can you see? We've just opened one of them. Can you see? Can you see? We've just opened one of the cocoa. And the seeds are in. When you met Medi? Wow. Maybe you be a shaman no more. But you be mommy. This means I should camera. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's good. Be away, I can see pound. Where they said this is small. Whoa, whoa. Oh, I want to eat now. They say you any shaman? This and jam up to see this. That's why the chocolate is inside. After sucking and licking the seeds, then I'm not chewing the seeds. All right, this is the real McCoy. This is it. Can you see the seeds? Yeah, this is the seeds. This is the real McCoy. The seeds that you can get chocolate out of it. It's here. It's here now. We've just opened one. And it's so nice. I'm going to start eating. Wow. It's so nice. But you don't chew the seeds. Wow. Really? Whoa. Aja, nzo ibie. When your friend adepa. Yeah. Hello. Sorry. The viewers. This is the real cocoa. It has something on it. Like a shake, like a milkshake. It's got different flavor. It's really, really, really nice. That's where we all get our chocolate from. Those the seeds. Can you still see a couple of them that is green? It's not even wrapped here. There's one down there that is wrapped. So nice. I'm going to show you inside. Can you see? Can you see this purple color inside here? That is your chocolate you've been eating. This is it. That's the chocolate. So this actual seed looks like a purple color when it's fresh from the tree. This is the one that they dry. They harvest it during the cocoa season and ship it to abroad, like all over the world. Then Denmark, Germany, UK, US. That's the one they use for chocolate. Can you see the purple one? Yeah, that's your chocolate. The chocolate you are eating, that is how it looks like. You can see the purple color inside there. When it's fresh like that, you suck the ones outside. It tastes like a milkshake. Really, really nice. Nice and sweet. Just like that. It's so, so nice. I love it. I'm still holding on to this. I'm eating it still. Any funny ever? I'm in concentration. It's so nice. Wow. You've been a baby or one. Oh, I was a BD. Now, would you be a mummy? Hey, what to Nina? Hey, who broke your phone? He say, who we are? What dear, I in a real beam. I inside and be a muye. May try to maybe a man to me. And as since I so know, that's the no one. I am correct. Wow. As you can see, the cocoa, the fresh one on the tree, is ripening now. I can see the yellow color. It's turned out to be yellow. Right, this is it. You see, we've taken out the seed. Look closer and see, this is the chocolate you've been eating. The actual seed inside. After sucking it, you break it. You don't eat that because it can't be poisonous. You can, oh, now you can see it better. The purple one are your chocolate you are eating there. It come up from the tree, so it doesn't come up from the ground. And I'm sure everybody knows that. I'm still doing a filming today because I'm in my brother's farm. That is a BSN uncle. Like I said, you can see the little ones coming out from this tree. See, the baby ones. Like I said, you can use this one, this little bit, to make soup, like okra. It's very, very sleepy when you make soup with it. It's not dangerous. There's so many little ones coming on it. Look at all that. This one. That's it. Got cocoyam in between. Oh dear. Wow. There's cocoa down there. This is real cocoa tree. When I say real cocoa tree, I mean there's broken ones on the floor everywhere, like you can see. Because my brother has got this big farm, cocoa farm, and every year he has to harvest it and then weigh it and get his money. You need to have a big one, a big farm, otherwise you can't make profit. You see, there's some broken down here. And some more here. Whoa, some of the trees, it's got so much on. Oh my God, that's the green ones, ready to wrap. Oh dear. Oh, that is great. So this is the one that they use. You see, all the trees, it's just coming.